or not, a vehicle, any potential weapon that can cause you in law enforcement what we call an SPI, a serious personal injury, you are perfectly legally entitled to use deadly force. You are not entitled to use deadly force as a warning or anything like that, so that's certainly not the case. But if she's rammed cars, has rammed a barricade, and has hit a police car, then yes, that law enforcement officer, not knowing the details, but I'm reasonably confident that the shooting was what we call, unfortunately, again, a good shoot.
All right, Dan Bongino, thank you very, very much. Former Secret Service agent, he knows of what he speaks quite well. Jordan Zuccolo joins us right now. He saw the aftermath of this shooting, and I guess it was a Capitol policeman who was injured right afterwards, right, Jordan? Could you?
Yeah, well, actually, I think the photo I tweeted, Neil, because our ACLJ office is literally located at 2nd and Constitution, so I had the view that the media didn't, and so I took the picture of what had happened after the shots were fired. We all knew in our office, of course, that this was not the normal kind of noise we hear of high security, and we didn't really hear the crash. When, of course, there's this is like a police station that's always open 24 hours a day. It's a mini police station in the middle of the road on Constitution. But I wanted to clear one thing up. I think I can clear up for people, feel pretty confident about based on what we saw, heard in the photos, and what I'm looking at is this person was killed from the gunshots, not from the crash. So the crash it's kind of car sideways. It looks like they were, it wasn't the crash into a barricade. This was someone who crashed into, maybe the tires were blown out or something. They were crashed into the police station, which was something added after 9/11. The barricades went up after that. We had no idea that there was a chase coming towards us. In fact, we were heading back from that World War II memorial, had just gotten back into our office, so we had a whole team with us. And shots were fired. I saw the person on the gurney, and I'm fairly confident I can say now that person on the gurney was the person who now is being confirmed as dead.